Today we're looking at the dinosaur quilt, and we've got the blocks prepared. So let's go look at what we have. We have everything for 2 quilts. So there are 2 long necks, 2 Stegosaurus, I think they are, 2 T-Rexes, and 2 of these guys here. And we have, 2 stacks of these here on the design table. So we got 2 quilts coming together. First things first, it was to cut some of the background material to use as sashings between the blocks. And then, let's see, here they are right here on the table cut out. So these would be the sashings between the blocks. These are some between the segments of the blocks, because each segment is made to get, and then they put those together with this segment. So this is between segments, and then this is an outer border that goes around the whole thing. Then we're going to cut 2 narrow borders of these dinosaurs running, and then a large border, at least 5 or 6 inches, of this stuff. That's the plan. So that the quilt has some substantial size, but yet I don't have to make more of these little animals. So I think that that'll go together nicely. We picked fabrics that would go with the dinosaur fabric that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. So you can see I've got orange ones, blue ones, teal ones, so we tried to get it all coordinated. Here we got blue, orange, teal. So that's the plan. And we'll come back to you as soon as I get all this stuff cut out. All right, thank you. Okay, so we've got it laid out. The first 4 are like this. That's the layout. But apparently, this spot right here is going to be some kind of a fern that I failed to make. So we'll have to make those. And then here's the other half of it. So it's not going to be linear like this. This will be the top of the second half of it. So I better get going and make the 2 ferns. The one goes here and one goes up there. Okay, so that's my job today.